Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need an active Microsoft 365 account with Copilot enabled. Once confirmed, open Word and sign in. Navigate to Settings and turn on Copilot so the tool can access your documents. After enabling, restart Word to load extensions and permissions. Make sure to grant document access when prompted so Copilot can analyze content. Once done, open a sample document and place your cursor where you want help. This gets Copilot ready to assist immediately. Once Copilot is active, open the task pane or use the ribbon icon to start. You can also use a shortcut if configured. Tell Copilot exactly what you need, state the goal, desired tone, audience, and any length limits, because precise prompts produce better drafts. Then ask for specific actions. Summarize a section, rewrite for clarity, create a heading outline, or generate citations. Make incremental requests and accept or refine suggestions so the draft evolves predictably. You should always review Copilot's output and edit for accuracy and voice before accepting changes. Once content is polished, use Word's version history to compare iterations and restore earlier drafts if needed. If Copilot stops responding or makes repeated errors, sign out and sign back in, ensure Office is up to date, and verify permissions for document access. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or disable and re-enable the Copilot add-in to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.